Good morning, students. Today we shall be continuing with the chapter 4, activity 2. I had given you homework question number 2 to multiply, but most of you were not able to do the way I expected. In my video, I explained how to do this type of multiplication, but you were not able to do. That is why I am repeating this again. What you have to do for this: 861 into what is 900? If you multiply 9 into 100, you get 900. Therefore, 861 into 9 into 100, I can write like this. Then I group 861 into 9 and 100 another group. As you know, I had told you earlier in one of my class that whenever there is a bracket, you have to do the calculation within the bracket first. So in this multiplication, you have to multiply these two numbers, then only the result can be multiplied to this. So in my rough work area, I shall multiply 861 into 9. 9 into 1 is 9. 9 into 6 is 54. I shall write 4, 5 here. 9 into 8, 72. 72 plus 5 is 77. So 7749 into 100. You know, multiplication by 10, by 100 and 1000, there are two zeros in 100. So without wasting time, I just do what I do. I add these two zeros after the number with which we have to multiply 100. This way you have to find the answer. Just remember, you have to multiply the numbers within bracket first. I have multiplied this number and this number first, then I have to multiply it by 100. Now let us solve some problems from question number 3 of activity 2. You have to multiply the given numbers using distributive property. So first question is 58 into 107. You have to use distributive property. What was distributive property? You have to expand this number and then multiply. Let us see how to do is 58 into 107 means if you expand 100 plus 7 is 107. Using distributive property, what we have to do, we multiply this and this. 58 into 100 plus again 58 into 7. So I shall write it as 58 into 100 plus this plus I am writing here 58 into 7. You know how to multiply with 100? It is very easy. Just write 58. There are two zeros plus 58 into 7. You have to do in the rough work area. 7 into 8 is 56. 5 7 into 5 is 35 plus 5, that is 40. So this is 406. Now you have to add these two numbers. 5800 plus 406. 608 plus 4 is 12, carry 1, 5 plus 1 is 6, equal to 6206. Example C, 42 into 172. 42 into 172. So 42 into 172 is 100 plus 70 plus 2. Now you have to multiply 42 into 100, then 42 into 70, then 42 into 2. You will be writing like 42 into 100. This plus sign you will be writing here, plus 42 into 70 plus 42 into 2. You can do this without any calculation. 4200, this 20 you have to just put here. 42 into 7, because this is 42 into 7 into 10 plus 42 into 2. I can write this line as this line. 42 into 7, I will find out. 7 into 2, 14. 7 into 4, 28, 29. So 4200 plus 2494. The 0 with 10 you have to add, plus 42 into 2. This 42 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, plus 84. So you add the three numbers, 4200, 2940 and 84. You get 4, 12, 1 will be carry, 12 again 1 will be carry, 7, 2, 2, 4. This is the answer. This way you have to do. We shall do question number F. 73 into 998. 998, I can write it like 73 into 1000 minus 2. If you subtract 2 from 1000, you get 998. So in place of 998, you can write 1000 minus 2. Now this is distributive property of multiplication over subtraction, because here we are doing subtraction. So it can be written as 73 into 1000 minus, this minus sign will come here, 73 into 2. 73 into 2. 73 into 1000 you can do it easily. Minus 73 into 2 is how much? 73 into 2 you have to do as I am doing in the rough work. 2 into 3 is 6. 2 into 7 is 14. 146. So now you have to subtract 146 from 73000. 73000 minus 146, 641. if I borrow 1, I get 4. Here it is 9. 9 minus 4 is 5. Here also it is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. Here it will be 2, 7. So my answer is 7285.